You are the chosen one. And you must be tested.
Anakin Skywalker is one of the most beloved Jedi in the Star Wars universe. From his rise as the Chosen One to his fall as Darth Vader and his epic return in the Ahsoka series, this character has always meant so much to me, and I'm so excited to share with you all the Episode 3 Anakin Lightsaber by Nsabers. Thank you so much, Nsabers, for sending this over, and I'll make sure to share in the description a link and discount code if you want to get your hands on this lightsaber or any others from Nsabers. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the box to see everything that comes with this lightsaber. Inside we are of course going to have the Anakin Skywalker hilt. You'll also find a manual to show you exactly how to use all of the functions of the lightsaber. A display stand that comes in the box, and it's going to look like this right here when it is set up. A pair of gloves, because this is a chrome hilt and gets lots of fingerprints on it, so it's great to handle it. You're also going to have your charging cable, and I'll show you guys how to use that here shortly. And what's really cool is it comes with a film accurate pommel, so you can see on the end here of the saber, it has the holes for your sound. So you can take this off, so if you want to put the saber on display and make it look more accurate, and you can put this one on so it looks like it would in the movies. And it looks really great. How awesome is that? And lastly, inside you will have some more of these wiper portions that go onto the bottom. These are on with adhesive, so if they do pop off, you have some extras that you can go ahead and put on there. Now, this case that is in front of me comes if you order the Proffie version of the lightsaber, which is what we have here today, and is really awesome if you're looking for a sturdy carrying case if you're traveling or just want somewhere to store it safely when you're not using the saber. Before we insert the blade and talk about all the features this lightsaber has to offer, let's just admire and talk about this hilt for a second. This is Anakin's saber that he uses from the Clone Wars into Episode 3. It is one of my favorites. I love the details in the control box here, to the diamond pattern that is around that as well, the wiper blades at the bottom, and it is just absolutely beautiful. What's really cool too is this lightsaber is pretty hefty, so it's not great if you're trying to like cosplay all day with it, but if you're looking for a high quality hilt, this is it. It comes in at almost 4.4 pounds, I believe. And lastly, I wanted to talk about how to charge it. There are a couple different ways. You can unscrew the handle down here, and when you go ahead and get this off, inside you are going to see the chassis. And what's really neat is you can actually remove this chassis. It's really nice when you're looking to either charge this because you don't have to have the whole hilt somewhere on the side, right? And then when you want to put it back in, it just pops right back in, and then you can screw this back on. Now there will be a second way that you can go ahead and access that chassis that's a little easier in my opinion, especially if you're out and about. And that is going to be by unscrewing the pommel cap down here. And when you go ahead and get this off, you'll have a handle down here and you can just reach in and again, remove the chassis and charge it that way. But without further ado, let's go ahead and insert our blade and go through all the features of this saber. If you order the Proffie version of the Anakin saber, it's going to come installed with 25 sound fonts, which is really awesome. And a couple features the Proffie has is it'll have the 12 colors, but you can go in between all of those colors, which is really awesome. And you're able to fully customize this lightsaber with not only your own sounds, but colors as well. Let's go ahead and go over all the features this bad boy has to offer. It has gesture controls, so to ignite it, you can twist and turn it on, and you're gonna have your smooth swing with it as well. But we're gonna go ahead and get started with some of the sound options that you have. So this saber will play music, which is really cool. While the saber is off, you're just going to press and hold the power button and release, and you'll be able to start that music, which always makes it so epic. You just feel like you're in a film. And then to turn that off, you're going to hold and release the power button while it is upright, and you can do that while it is on. You can also go ahead and adjust volume. You can turn it up and down. It can also be muted, which is really cool. The other sound options we're gonna have are going to be your character sound font. So if you hold your saber upside down and click the auxiliary button, you'll hear it go through different characters.
I am told it is the dark saber.
And then when you're ready and get to the character you want, you can go ahead and turn it on and be in that character font. Let's go ahead and start talking about our blade effects. So we have a blaster effect on this saber, which you can use by tapping the auxiliary button. And you'll see the colors kind of ignite across like you're deflecting bullets. Now, what's really awesome is that this Proffie version has what's called a multi-blast effect. You enter this by holding down the auxiliary button for a few seconds and releasing. And then when you start moving the saber, you're going to deflect the bullets without having to press that auxiliary button. I love it. It's so awesome. It really makes you feel like you're like one with the Force and deflecting those bullets. You don't have to tap anything. Before we go through more of our blaster effects, let's talk about how to change the color. It's actually pretty simple. You're going to press the power followed by the auxiliary button quickly, and then you just rotate the saber, and you can see how it's going through all the different colors of yellow into orange, red, pink, and then when you get to the color you want, you'll just tap that power button, and it'll go ahead and set that color for you. For our other blade effects, you're going to have your flash on clash and your lockup effects, which you'll use the auxiliary button and kind of hit with it, and that'll give you that lockup and you release, and that's pretty cool. I like that sound of the release. The last two unique features for the Proffie version are our melt and lightning effect, and they're pretty different. For the melt, you're going to hold down the auxiliary button and thrust and clash the blade, and you'll see all of the whites that are coming in here. Now it's going to be similar for the lightning, but watch what it does for the blade. For the lightning effect, you're going to hold down the power button and tap the auxiliary. And you can see the colors moving around like you're blocking Force lightning. You know, if you need to beat up Palpatine. There's actually one more effect I forgot to talk about here, and it is the Force effect. For this one, you're going to hold down the power button and release while it's on, and listen to the sound that it creates. Pretty cool. It's not like you're using the Force kind of sound almost. And that is a wrap for this beautiful Anakin Skywalker Episode 3 lightsaber. This has to be by far my favorite hilt that I own, and I could not recommend it anymore. It is sturdy, it is beautiful, it is super accurate to the films, and is great to not only spin and play with, but to have on display for everybody who comes into your home to see. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, make sure to hit that like and subscribe to the channel for many more lightsaber reviews. And thank you again to Nsabers for sending this over. That discount code will be down below for any of you that want to get your hands on this saber or any other lightsaber. I'll see you all soon.